Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this haunting yet cute Halloween ghost makeup look. Let's get started. I started by prepping my skin with a serum all over my face to create a smooth base, followed by a moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated ready for makeup. Next, I applied eye concealer to my eyes to hide the area, then went with a foundation over my entire face, blending it for that Halloween base. Then I added some contour on my cheeks, nose and forehead to sculpt out my face, giving it a bit of depth. Blending it out, and after that I used concealer under my eyes, between my eyebrows, down my nose and on my chin to add a bit of extra highlight. And of course I set my brows to frame my face. Now for the fun part, the ghost design. I started on one eye, shaping the outline of a little ghost using black eyeshadow and blending it out softly. Remember, blending is the key of the makeup. I'm blending it out till it's feel a bit soft. Next, I took a white cream color from my palette and filled in the inside of the ghost shape to give it more detail. The outline I made earlier was so important, and you guys also have to make it because it will give you the shape, and you can now easily paint it inside with the white cream color. And after that I outlined the ghost with black cream color. It will take a bit time, but it's worth it. After that I added little eyes and a nose to complete the spooky cute makeup. On the other eye, I applied light brown eyeshadow followed with a dark brown to create depth. Then I went in with a eyeliner to define the eye and smudged it out for a smoky, mysterious effect. And applied it a bit on my eyes too and blend it out. After that, I pop up eyelashes on the eyes to make them pop. After that, I blended the contour a bit. and attach with my eye makeup. Then I apply some blush which also acts as a highlighter and blends out nicely for a soft glow. Make sure to blend it out nicely so no line will be visible. And now I moved on to the lips. I outlined them with a brown liner and smudged out. Filled them with a brown lipstick and added a creamy color center for a fuller effect. After I blended a bit the ghost area. To finish up, I took a few final look shots to hair to complete the Halloween ghost vibe. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween ghost makeup tutorial. If you give it a try, make sure to tag me. I would love to see your spooky creations. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you have a great bye bye.